Chapter number 13, Pioneer of the Air. Not long ago, it would have been difficult to think of women as astronauts. But this dream was fulfilled by Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman who travelled to space. Kalpana Chawla was born in the small town of Karnal, Haryana, in a traditional middle-class family. The youngest of 4 children, Kalpana studied at the Tagore School, but was different from her siblings and other children. Her love for the sky and space began when she was a little girl in Haryana. Her school projects and papers were about stars, planets, and outer space. Teachers often found her sketching airplanes instead of playing with friends. While her businessman father encouraged her to join the flying club, he was shocked when she chose flying as a career. He wanted her to become a doctor. Kalpana managed to win over her father and her family to become Punjab Engineering College's first woman aeronautical engineer when she graduated in 1982. She continued her studies in the field of space against her father's advices. Her parents wanted her to get married and settled down. Again, Kalpana won. Once in the US, she got her master's from the University of Texas, Arlington, and a doctorate from the University of Colorado. It was there she met her husband, French flying instructor and aviation writer Jean-Pierre Harrison. She graduated with her PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988. For about 5 years, she worked as a research scientist at NASA and Ames Research Center, California. In 1993, Dr. Kalpana Chawla became the Vice President and Research Scientist of Los Altos, California. In 1994, she was one of the 19 people selected from 2,062 applications by NASA to become an astronaut. She reported to the Johnson Space Center in March 1995. On 19 November 1997, the historical day, she became the first person of Indian origin to fly in an American space shuttle for 15 days. When she returned, she said that she was surprised how small the earth seemed. It took her only 90 minutes to circle the earth. Kalpana and her husband loved aerobatics, hiking, backpacking, and reading. Though she was an American citizen, Kalpana didn't forget her home. Every year, she sponsored 2 talented children from her town to visit NASA. She paid for many girls' education too. It was a matter of great excitement on 16 January 2003. The whole world was happy at her second space mission, and plans were made to celebrate on her return. The return never happened, as the space shuttle met a tragic accident on 1st February 2003. The joy turned into grief because there was no survivor. At 41, Kalpana Chawla Harrison became a part of space, but even after death,
She gave back the world something.
Based on her will, $3 lakh, about rupees 1 crore 35 lakh, helped to establish projects for environmental conservation. The government of Tamil Nadu instituted the Kalpana Chawla Award to be given annually on Independence Day for bravery and service. However, Kalpana's achievements for Indians explored avenues to discover the space. She also proved that women do not lag behind in any field. Things to remember: Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who traveled to space. She continued her studies in the field of space against her father's desire. The historical day for Kalpana Chawla as a first space woman was 19 November 1997. It was a matter of great excitement for the whole world. She met a tragic end during her second space mission.